Hey guys, and welcome back to Spinning Ratchet TV. Today we're going to change the oil on a 2017 Ford Transit. First things we'll need is our oil filter wrench, and our 13mm. First thing we got to do is pop the hood. So you come under here, reach under here and grab this, pop the hood. So we got the oil dipstick and the cap. We're just going to remove those now. Next, we'll remove the drain plug. It's located in the back rear passenger side. So we'll loosen that now. We've got the drain plug removed and the oil is now coming out. Now that the oil is done draining, we will reinstall the drain plug. In the driver's side of the engine, there is a oil filter. We're going to take our oil filter wrench, take it off now. And let some of it drain before we take the whole filter off. So we got a new oil filter. Before we put it on, we're gonna fill it up with some oil, put some on the seal, lubricate it a bit, then we'll put it on. Now we're gonna take some of this oil, rub it on the outside of the seal, lubricate that seal. Now that we've got the oil filter filled up, we're gonna put it on now. One thing to note on that oil filter, no tools needed, just hand tight, that's all you need. This is a 2017, it is a 3.7 liter. It requires 6 quarts of 5W20, so we will add that now. Now that we've got the oil in, we're going to start it up and make sure we have oil pressure. Now we need to reset our oil life monitor. So we'll stick our key in, turn it on, step on the gas and the brake at the same time, and hold it. Last thing we'll do is verify that the oil level is where it should be. Right at the top of the crosshatch. Well, that completes our oil change on our 2017 Ford Transit. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Spinning Ratchet TV.